perfect day to get our new fireplace insert installed and warm this house up. So we're going to replace the old chimney liner, we're going to put a new liner in, we're going to set the fireplace insert, and we're going to get everything ready to fire it up. Our chimney liner is connected. Our refractory panels are now installed. The last thing we need to do is hook up our electric, cover the outside with our cement board, put our non-combustible mantle on, and put the stack stone on for our completed look. So follow along with me for the finishes. So now our screws are in, our bracket is tight to the wall, and we're going to put the front cover on. Simply lifts in place, drops back down on solid steel. Looks just like wood, it's non-combustible, so we'll have no heat from the fireplace for any flames, and it looks like $1 million. So we have our new wood insert fireplace, our new stone hearth, and now we have a non-combustible mantle going on the top. And the last thing we're going to do is cover it with this beautiful multi-finish stack stone. So follow our next video, we're going to show you this room complete.